Hi! Thank you for coming back. It's Teacher Ivy again. Are you ready to read? Awesome! So since you're ready, stay with this video so I can teach you. Let's go! Right, so yeah, our lesson for today, we are going to read English words that has 4 letters like this. So let's start with this word since pinag-aralan na natin to sa huli nating lessons, right? Dun sa mga previous video natin. So madali na lang para sa inyo. So 'di ba natatandaan ninyo, sabi ko, if may dalawang S sa dulo, isa lang ang sound niyan. Ganun lang. So sige, let's start with this. This will be mass. One more time. Mass. Alright. How about this one? Who? And then? Good job. Yeah, that will be less. Less. How about this one? Ito yung huli nating pinag-aralan, di ba? What is the sound of this again? Very good. So that will be pass. Pass. Good job. Alright, how about this word? So, same lang din, kagaya netong dalawa, sa dulo yung S, isa lang ang sound. So, eto din, diba ang sound nila iisa lang? So, itutunog lang natin sila ng isang K. So, yeah, let's start with this. Rack. One more time. Rack. Alright, how about this one? Pa. One more time. Pack. Pack. Alright. And this one. Cha. Alright, isa pa. Cha. One more time. Cha. And this one. Sack. Sack. Excellent. Ang galing mo na talagang bumasa. Alright. So, paano naman to? Yes, madali lang. Basta magsasound ka lang. Huwag kakalimutan mag-sound, okay? So, that will be mask. Alright, sound mo lang ha. Huwag mo kakalimutan yung mga sound. Pagsamahin. Very good. And then, alright, so that will be mask. Alright, how about this one? Oh, sound tayo ulit. Pag pinagsama, cha. And then sound of this, and then k. Alright, so let's combine all the sound together. That will be task. One more time. Task. Ito, paano naman yan? Simple lang uli. Magsasound ka lang. What is the sound of letter C again? And then, So, let's combine all the sounds together. That will be cast. One more time. Cast. Good job. How about this one? Alright, so let's make a sound first. Let's combine the sound. That will be last. One more time. Last. Good job. How about this one? That will be So that will be fast. Fast. Very good. Alright, so how about these words? So, simple lang uli. Sound lang tayo. Madali lang naman bumasa. Basta, magsasound ka lang. Okay? So, let's make a sound of this again. That will be mark. One more time. Mark. Very good. How about this one? Lark. One more time. Lark. And this one is let's combine these two. That will be park. One more time. Park. Good job. Alright, so how about this one? Alright, let's make a sound. Lamp. One more time. Lamp. Very good. So yeah, let's read. That will be lamp. One more time. Lamp. How about this one? Let's combine the two sound, okay? Ra. One more time. Ramp. One more time. Ramp. Good job. Wow! You already know how to read. Let's clap our hands. Very good. So, until next video, okay? Bye for now.